So here, welcome to this another episode with me Arshi, and I'm here with another episode. और ये episode जो है वो सभी CMAT aspirants के लिए बहुत important है, because हर student जो CMAT 2023 देने वाला है उसके दिमाग में एक question है कि how should I score 95 plus percentile in CMAT so that I'll be able to get into all those top colleges जो CMAT के through हम target कर सकते हैं. I have Brijwal with me, who already scored 97 plus percentile in CMAT. So Brijwal, over to you. How was your journey and how you can, tell the aspirants so that, it will be beneficial for them? Because अभी time तो बहुत कम बचा हुआ है, date कभी भी आ सकती है. So what is your suggestion? How was, what do you want to say to the aspirants? Yeah.
My name is Brajwal, as Arshi gave a little brief about me, my percentile and all. So I'll just suggest them that, guys, just chill. Don't worry. Don't stress yourself much. You have already been through CAT. You have given your SNAP exams. You have given your ZAT. You have given your TIS exams. Maybe you might be preparing for your MHCET as well. So it's just that work on your, you can say, voids which you have left during your preparations. Learn from the mistakes you have been doing all the way by giving like 4 or 5 exams you have been. So I'll just suggest them to work on your like the places where you are lagging and not stressing it much. Give more importance to like scoring by attempting right answers rather than attempting all of them, I would say. But in case if we take CMAT to be like specific, CMAT is something where you have to score as well as you have to make sure that the every question you attempt is right. So according to me, I feel that at my chance there was 2.5 hours for like LRDI, logic reasoning, English, like grammar, vocab, and the last one was quantitative section. And post that we had one GK section as well, which was for half an hour. So our tricky part was the GK questions, because the GK questions itself were very much tough at our phase. So if at all you personally, any of the candidate who is feeling that the questions are a little bit on the tough side, so it's better you attempt very less in that particular section. But in LRDI, in quants, and in English, you make sure that you are scoring like there are 25 questions each if you can consider. So try solving for more than 22 questions to be right. Then only you can aim for 95 plus percentile, or as you can say 97 plus percentile.
Okay, and any suggestions, any last few days tips or tricks what you want to give it to these students?
Yeah, so particularly I would give more emphasis on solving mock test, giving more mock test, like going on repetitive mock test, wherein a candidate can know the time as well as the amount of questions he is able to attempt, and also with the like the degree of rightness, you can say, or making every specific question right. So that all can be attained by giving regular mocks only. Now since I guess 10 or 12 days must be remaining for the another CMAT attempt, so I'll suggest them to focus on giving at least 2 mocks per day, which even was my strategy, and just analyze the mocks after you give. Just go on reviewing the mocks, because there only you will find your mistakes. Just work on it and give another mock. So it should be that schedule. It's not the time to prepare something new. It's the time to just stick to your strategy, have your own strategy, like see your weak points, see your strong points, make sure that your strong points here you are gaining marks, and your weak points you are not losing out on marks. Just you can omit it, or you can lose a question or two maybe, but at least out of 25 you should try to make 22 questions right.
Okay, Prajwal, thank you so much for your time. I think I'm done with my questions. Thank you. And I think definitely this video will help a lot of aspirants. So yeah, thank you. Okay.
Thank you.